We need a call to action. We need change. As many of us know, there have been many changes going on, and one of our biggest changes is global warming. Many scientists and environmentalists have searched for ways to save the Earth and prevent global warming from increasing further. One of their goals is the 30 by 30 project. This is the idea that we preserve 30% of our world's natural lands and waters by the year 2030. It has been said that us as people and our culture has been vastly intertwined with nature for hundreds of thousands of years, and that we need the nature in order to survive. With this project, the Earth can begin to rebuild itself, and we can once again see the Earth in all of her glory. Without this project, we will continue to kill the Earth, animals, plants, and eventually ourselves. We can come together and support the 30 by 30 project through volunteering, supporting communities, and joining groups to give back to the Earth. The more we know about our Mother Earth and what's hurting her, the better we can save her, ourselves, and the animals and plants around us. We can also spread the word to let others know what it is that we are doing to hurt our Earth, so that they can help and join in the fight. So help join the team, and let's all go green together and help save our Mother Earth.